But that's a connection to childhood.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
So, yeah, and I've got pudgy pie makers.
Yeah.
We had that at one of my parties. I had all the stuff in my fridge. Everybody was really hungry and we were drinking. And I was like, "Do you guys want to make pudgy pies?" And it was like, "What the fuck is a pudgy pie?" I was like, "I got you." And so we made them out on the little fire grill, the little square one.
You didn't grow up the right way if you didn't make those.
Oh yeah,
camping.
And it was funny because I had bought like a whole loaf of bread, like I think that day or the day before, because I wanted French toast.